Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking prerequisites. Confirm your Android version and that you have enough free storage, and sign into the same account you use for Notes. Once signed in, open the Notes app and go straight to its settings or account menu. This is where backup options live. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi if you have limited mobile data. If the app requests permissions for storage or contacts, grant them now so the backup process can read and save your notes reliably. Next, choose the backup method inside Settings. Tap Backup or Sync and you'll see options like Google Drive, the app's cloud, or local export. Select Google Drive for seamless Android integration or export to a file if you prefer manual control. Once selected, enable automatic sync and set frequency. Daily is typical. Make sure the correct account is chosen and allow background data so sync runs when your device is idle. Finally, verify the backup by checking the last sync timestamp and opening a sample note from the backup location to confirm content integrity. For extra safety, export a copy to local storage or download the exported file to your computer. If syncing fails, force stop the app, clear its cache, and sign out, then back in to refresh credentials, then trigger a manual sync. If problems persist, ensure Google Drive has enough space and that battery optimization isn't blocking background sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.